MoneyLion denial usually happens when the app can't clearly verify your bank account data, doesn't detect consistent income deposits, or doesn't have enough transaction history to confidently approve Instacash access. By the end of this, you'll understand the exact reasons MoneyLion keeps denying users, and what you can fix to improve your chances next time. Start with bank connection issues. MoneyLion depends on a fully synced bank account to read your financial activity. If the connection is incomplete, unstable, or not fully updated, the system can't evaluate your profile, which leads to denial. Now look at income deposits. MoneyLion looks for recurring deposits that show a stable and predictable income pattern. If your income is irregular or hard to identify, the system may deny access because repayment ability is unclear. Next, check transaction history. The app needs enough recent banking activity to understand how your money moves in and out. A new account, or limited history, often leads to denial, because there isn't enough data to assess financial behavior. Now, focus on direct deposits. Regular payroll deposits are one of the strongest signals MoneyLion uses for approval decisions. Without them, approval becomes harder because the system can't clearly confirm steady income. Next, look at account balance behavior. If your balance frequently drops very low or fluctuates heavily, the system may classify your account as unstable. That increases denial chances because repayment risk is harder to predict. Now, check identity verification. MoneyLion requires your personal details to match your bank account exactly. Even small mismatches in name or banking information can trigger automatic denial during verification. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks don't fully support smooth data sharing with financial apps. If your bank connection is limited or slow, MoneyLion may not receive enough usable data to approve your account. Now look at setup completion. Incomplete onboarding or interrupted setup can prevent the system from fully evaluating your financial profile. That often leads to denial or delayed eligibility. Finally, understand automated approval systems. MoneyLion uses algorithm-based decisions, not manual review. That means approval depends entirely on whether your financial data is complete, readable, and consistent enough for the system to classify your behavior. If it can't clearly understand your income and spending patterns, it will deny access. To sum it up, MoneyLion usually denies users for three main reasons: unstable or unclear income, limited transaction history, or a bank connection that doesn't provide enough readable financial data. Next step is simple. Make sure your bank account is fully linked, your deposits are consistent and clearly visible, and your identity details match your bank exactly before trying again. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app guides, approval fixes, and simple breakdowns that make financial apps easier to understand.